Hello everybody, thanks for stopping into my channel. So glad that you could stop in and visit me today. I am sorry that it has been a little bit of a week or so since I've been in. I actually pulled something in my back and haven't been able to sit up until now, and it is still giving me quite a bit of trouble, so I do apologize. My videos might be intermittent at this point. Right now it's pretty good. So I did want to make this video as a follow-up to my Sephora Fantasy Haul video. I wanted to touch base and let you know what I had actually picked up from the Sephora tag that I did that was created by Emily Noel. And actually the makeup that I am wearing today is makeup that came from one of the palettes that I had picked. I do a small demo later on in the video. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this eye makeup look, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll know each time that I upload a video. And if you are interested to see what I actually got and how I got this eye makeup look, then let's get into the video. There were some things that I actually picked up from that fun Sephora Fantasy tag, and then there was some things, a few things that I mentioned that I ended up picking more of one item because I fell in love with them. So first of all, what I'm wearing today that made this beautiful sunset look, that's what I'm calling it, sunset on a beach. Picked up the Viseart Spritz Edit. I just love the colors in this palette, and that's what I used to achieve this look. They are just beautiful and pigmented, and this gold right here, this it's not even a gold, it's more of a yellow gold, but this gold is just absolutely stunning. I loved it. I put it right on the top of my lids there. Oh, it's beautiful. So the colors are very beautiful and just stunning. I'm having a fun time creating some looks already. I keep forgetting to photograph them. That doesn't help the situation, but they are just beautiful. So I am so glad that I picked this palette up. It is a great addition to my Viseart collection, and I think it's either suitable for spring or even winter. It's beautiful. I am quite enjoying that and hope to do some looks in the future with that too. So the next thing that I ended up picking up, and I haven't had a chance since I threw my back out to really play with it too much, is the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. This looks like it's going to be fun. I did swatch a lot of the colors because it just looked absolutely so much fun to play with, but like I said, I didn't actually, I haven't gotten a chance to play with it yet. I am looking forward to getting into these purples. Hopefully it won't be too long before I'm completely back on my feet again. I think I popped a disc out, so looking forward to, but I mean, these purples, oh, I've never seen it. There's one purple in here, I've never even seen the tone of it. Look, those purples, that's pretty cool. And then there's this weird dark purple here. Yeah, they're just look like a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to getting my hands into this and hopefully doing a review on that myself also. And then what is on my lips right now that matches like brilliantly with this eyeshadow palette is the Fenty, I can't remember the name of this. It's the Fenty Slip Sliding Away Balm, whatever. I just love these. They are smooth and buttery and moisturizing. They really remind me of two other drugstore products. I think it was, I want to say it's the L'Oreal, and I'm so bad with names right now. I don't know what this is. I am having such trouble remembering things ever since I got sick. But it's the these little rascals. These had the same buttery feeling, and these are the color Riche, and this one's in luminous coral, so it's almost probably pretty close. Well, yeah, there's the Fenty, and then there's the luminous coral, so that's almost a dupe right there. Huh. So FYI, and then they also kind of remind me of the Revlon, the new ones that just came out. And this is the Revlon Super Lustrous Dewy Peach one. This is almost similar to, a little bit lighter. Okay, so that's the Revlon. That one was the L'Oreal, and that's the Fenty. So they're so much alike. I don't know how they feel on the lips. I'll have to give it a try. But I liked them so much that I grabbed myself some more. So I had gotten one in Bubble Rum, Sugar Kiss, Glazed, and Goja Gang. So I'm like loving these, really loving these, and it stinks that I can't wear them underneath my mask because they come right off underneath your mask. So I'm enjoying them around the house. Next and final item that I got, that I have again not gotten a chance to play with, but I am so looking forward to it, is I picked up the Natasha Denona palette. I just am so much, I'm looking forward to this. These look like so much fun. They are some similar colors, like the range of the golds are some similar ones, but maybe they lay differently on top of some of the different mattes. I'm not sure, but it's just so beautiful. I will have to see. I will do a review. I am looking forward to doing a review. So that is about it. I am going to go and lead you now into a naked face where we will do a small demo of how I got this eye look. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this eye look, then let's get into that. So I am going to try and do a quick look using my new palette that I got in my little Sephora haul. It is the Viseart palette, and it is new. I'm not really sure what type of look we're going to come out with, but I figured that we would go ahead and try it anyway. So I have this little, I'm trying to still use my samples, my bag load of samples. I have this little tinted eye primer that came in from Ulta order that I had gotten. So I am just going to apply, that might have been even just a little too much. Apply those to my lids. Okay, and I think we're gonna just go in with this very neutralish color it might be a little dark, but what the heck, who knows. We're gonna go in with that in our crease. We're just gonna go in very lightly, make sure we tap off, and like I said, I'm not really sure what the look is going to be. Just brush that in, and it almost blends right in with my eye color. I think this is a really pretty fun summer color for like sunsets, and it just reminded me like of a sunset over a pretty beach. I love Viseart palettes. They don't ever seem to have any fallout, at least not much anyway. I'm just gonna make sure that we bring that all the way up so that I can actually enjoy the color, not just everybody else. You use what you got, use your space. Okay, and I think we're gonna go in with this pretty coral here. and right in there. See what that color does. That's a pretty color. Notice I did my eyes first, so if there is any fallout or anything I want to clean up, I can do my foundation, to use my foundation to clean it up. That's pretty. That's a pretty color. And I'm going to just bring it in a little bit. And I'm gonna take one of my big fluffy brushes that I love. This is just a nice Real Techniques brush. And I'm just going to gently blend away, blend in. You know how I feel about blending. When in doubt, blend it out. But in this case, there's no doubt. I'm just blending. And I'm gonna reapply some more of that shade right in here. I love that color. So many fun ways to go in this palette, but I think we're gonna go so we can match the lipstick, the slip slide, however it is, slip slide, Fenty slip slide. I'll never remember it. Take that fluffy brush again, blend it in a little bit. All right, and then I'm gonna clean off my brush a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with this red in here. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the same brush, and I'm gonna dab it right in the corner. And then start to bring it in a little bit. Make sure it's really full and dark on the corner. It's all packed in. And then start to bring it in. Same thing with this side. And then I think I'm gonna go in with this gold. Why not, right? I wanna see how this color comes out. And I'm gonna put it right here. It's not coming out as much as I want it to. Let's see if, there we go. Sometimes a finger is what does it. Right, we're gonna put that yellow right on the lid here. And then I'm gonna go back in with the red and just bring it over a wee bit. So it kind of is like blending into the yellow. We're gonna pick up that coral again in a minute. Then I think I'm gonna go into this, let me see, let me swatch it. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with to this color right here, and I'm gonna put it right in the center, in the corner. Kind of blend it into that gold a little bit, that yellow gold, like a sunset. Yeah, I hope it catches what I just did there. All right, now I am gonna go back in. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go back into that coral, and I'm gonna bring it up right into the crease there, because I want to make sure the coral knows it's not forgotten. I'm just gently blending it out here. And then I'm going to go into this lightest color that we have here, which it really isn't all that light, but I am going to try and put it up here. Like that. And I think I'm going to use the brown again because it's a little bit more subtle since we did so much on the top. I'm going to dip back into this brown here. And I'm just going to I'm going to drop some brushes. And I'm just going to bring some of that down here. So I'm showing as dark as I would have liked. And I'm going to dip back into that red, brush a little off, and just bring a little bit into the corner, just so we're connecting. And there we have some color. All right, that's the colors that we have. I am going to go and put mascara on, maybe some lashes, and finish up the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I'm getting ready to spray my face because I keep forgetting. Spray away. I am absolutely in love with this look. Oh, that felt good. It's a little warm in this room. So all I did was add some lashes. They were just some demi wispies that I had. Throw on some mascara. Nothing amazing mascara. I don't even know what I used. Actually, it might have been the Tarte Maneater that I used. I threw on some blush from the Profusion palette, and I did my brows. And I am getting ready to throw on some of the Fenty slippery, I don't know, I'm so sorry, Brianna, I just keep butchering the name of this lovely lip gloss. But I'm so excited because I'm getting ready to put it on. But I love the look of this eye makeup. I love how it came out. It just reminds me of a beautiful sunset walking on a beach. That's what it reminded me of. I absolutely love it. Love it. Love it. I did add some color to the lower lash line. I carried the red down, and then in the inner spot here, I carried the yellow, that beautiful yellow, in the inner quarter of my lash line. And then I did just throw in some of my Rimmel in my waterline, and that's it. I'm loving it. I am excited to throw this on. This hopefully is going to match with my eye makeup, and I don't know if it'll match with my shirt. I think I have to change that. But oh, I love these. These are just so comfortable to wear. I hate the fact that I can't wear them outside or underneath like a mask because it goes just all over. It's kind of pointless. I'm finding that I'm wearing liquid matte lipsticks all the time, which is a bummer. Anyway, lovely people, thank you so much for joining me on this video. And I hope you have a wonderful week, and because this will probably come out on Tuesday. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember to hit the little notification bell. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.